Hi everyone, my name is Tatiana and I'm with Naples Botanical Gardens Education Department, and today I'm going to teach you how to create your own nature mandala. First, you are going to need a sheet of paper or cardboard and some plant material that you gather either from your backyard, front yard, or on a walk you take outside. A nature mandala can be made by starting with a simple circular shape with lines or rings radiating inward or outward. So for my mandala, I'm starting with a clover-like leaf in the center and working my way outwards. As you continue to add plant material, don't worry about it being a perfectly circular shape, just add to your heart's content. You can also get creative with your mandala, and instead of doing rings, you can try a shape. So what I'm doing here is creating a peace sign using some blades of grass, and then I'm going to fill up each of the segments with different plant materials. When you've completed, don't forget to admire your work. You can stay connected with the garden during this time by checking out our other activities, videos, and readings at naplesgarden.org/stayplanted.